Good morning, student. I am Chirag Sukhani from Rafael BBA College, Vapi, and I am going to teach you elements of strategic management subject. And we will continue our first chapter, that is conceptual framework for strategic management. So today in this session we will learn about the concept, that is business definition. So first of all, what is business definition? So business definition is clear-cut statement of business or set of business which organization engage in presently or wish to pursue in future. Then business definition prescribe the arena in which organization will play and compete. So what is business definition? Business definition is clear-cut statement of business which organization run, engage at presently or continue in future, desire to continue in future. Then after business definition define area, that is place where organization will play, run and the compete. Now it should be noted that a business definition is necessary because organization cannot operate in the entire segment of chosen industry, or it cannot compete successfully doing the same thing and in the same manner as the competitors are doing. Rather, it can do well if it does the same thing differently or does different thing. Therefore, business definition is a necessary or prerequisites for further course of action. So remember कि business definition is necessary because कोई भी organization पर्टिकुलर इंडस्ट्री को सिलेक्ट किया, सो वो इंडस्ट्री के हर एक सेगमेंट को वो सक्सेसफुली ऑपरेट नहीं कर पाता है, और इट कैन नॉट compete सक्सेसफुली डूइंग द सेम थिंग एंड इन द सेम मैनर एज अ competitors आर डूइंग. It is better if it does the same thing differently or does different thing. That is why business definition is necessary for further course of action. So clear? So business definition is nothing but it is a statement of business which organization engage at presently or desire to continue in future. Then after business definition prescribe the arena. Arena is nothing but place, area where organization will play and compete. Now let's take an example of business definition of some of the companies. So first company, Hindustan Unilever Limited. So it is a multinational organization. So this company define its business as what? To meet everyday needs of people everywhere with branded product. यानी they mainly focus every people of the world or the country, and they focuses on the branded product. Whereas Hero Cycle define its business as what? Functionally valuable bicycle that common people can afford to buy, and they mainly focuses on the common people and जो उसका प्रोडक्ट है that is functionally valuable bicycle. Third example, Kodak India, a quality oriented photographic system appealing to the customers who desire instant photography. So they mainly focuses on quality oriented photographic system, and the people is what? Customers, those who desire instant photography. Clear? So based on this definition, what is clear business definition? It is a statement of business जो organization present में run कर रहा है and desire to continue in future. देन आफ्टर जो बिजनेस डेफिनेशन है उसने एरिया दिखाया कि कहाँ पे उसको सेटिस्फाई करना है, कौन से पीपल को सेटिस्फाई करना है. सो बिजनेस डेफिनेशन प्रिस्क्राइब द एरिया अरेना के इन विच ऑर्गेनाइजेशन विल प्ले एंड compete. नाउ बेस्ड ऑन दिस अबाव एग्जाम्पल, जो प्रोफेसर ड्रकर है एक्सप्लेन बिजनेस डेफिनेशन emphasize mainly on two dimension, and two dimension is what? Nature of the product and the nature of customer satisfaction. Now first, nature of the product. Now in case of Hindustan Unilever Limited, nature of the product, branded product. In case of Hero Cycle, that is functionally valuable bicycle. In case of Kodak India Limited, nature of the product is what? Quality oriented photographic system. ओके, एंड सेकंड डायमेंशन द नेचर ऑफ कस्टमर सेटिस्फेक्शन, कौन से टाइप के कस्टमर को सेटिस्फाई करना है. सो इन केस ऑफ HUL द पीपल ऑफ एवरीवेयर इन दी वर्ल्ड. हीरो साइकिल दे फोकसेस ऑन कॉमन पीपल. And Kodak India Limited, those customers who desire instant photography. So based on the example जो प्रोफेसर ड्रकर है एक्सप्लेन किया, बिजनेस डेफिनेशन मेनली एम्फासाइज ऑन टू डायमेंशन. एक तो नेचर ऑफ द प्रोडक्ट होना चाहिए और नेक्स्ट इज व्हाट नेचर ऑफ द कस्टमर सेटिस्फेक्शन. नाउ while defining the business definition must reflect two features. First features, focus in business definition, and second is what? Differentiation in business definition. So first of all, what is focus in business definition? Now, while defining the business, organization should focus on chosen field of the business activity. That means define in terms of kind of functions business perform rather than industry as a whole. यानी जब भी ऑर्गेनाइजेशन अपने बिजनेसेस को डिफाइन करे, सो वो टाइम पे ऑर्गेनाइजेशन को क्या करना है? शुड फोकस ऑन चूजन फील्ड ऑफ बिजनेस एक्टिविटी. दैट मीन्स डिफाइन इन टर्म्स ऑफ काइंड ऑफ फंक्शंस बिजनेस परफॉर्म रादर देन इंडस्ट्री एज अ होल. लेट इन एग्जांपल द बिजनेस ऑफ टेक्सटाइल कंपनी विच इज लोकेटेड इन सूरत डिफाइन इट्स बिजनेस एज व्हाट? टेक्सटाइल. कि एक कंपनी है जो टेक्सटाइल कंपनी है जो सूरत में लोकेटेड है, उसने अपने बिजनेसेस को डिफाइन क्या किया? डिफाइन इट्स बिजनेस एज व्हाट? टेक्सटाइल. नाउ in order to define the business of the company from strategic point of view, strategically, let we see the nature of textile industry. So textile industry क्या होती है? So textile industry may be personal wear and the non wear. Okay, now let's an example personal wear. So personal wear may be suiting, shirting, sarees, undergarment होता है. non wear में क्या होता है? अपने blanket and so on. Okay, so personal wear may be suiting, shirting, sarees and undergarment. Let's an example of sari. Sari may be cotton, silk, synthetics. If it is synthetics, so synthetics may be high price, low price and the medium price. So this is the nature of textile industry. Now the company actually operate in high price synthetic sari. यानी जो हम लोग ने एग्जाम्पल लिया, जो कंपनी है सूरत में लोकेटेड है, उसने अपने बिजनेसेस को डिफाइन क्या किया कि हमारा बिजनेस टेक्सटाइल है, बट एक्चुअली कंपनी का बिजनेस क्या है? हाई प्राइस सिंथेटिक साड़ी. यानी वो क्या प्रोड्यूस करती है? हाई प्राइस सिंथेटिक साड़ी. दस इन ऑर्डर टू फोकस इट्स बिजनेस स्ट्रेटेजिकली it must define its business is what? High price synthetic sari rather than industry as a whole, that is textile. यानी ऑर्गेनाइजेशन को अपने बिजनेसेस को क्या डिफाइन करना चाहिए? हमारा बिजनेस क्या है? हाई प्राइस सिंथेटिक साड़ी, नहीं कि हमारा बिजनेस टेक्सटाइल का है. दैट इज कॉल्ड एज फोकस इन बिजनेस डेफिनेशन. क्लियर? Next is differentiation in business definition. Now another features involved in defining the business is what? Differentiation. Now the name itself says is differentiation. So what is differentiation? Differentiation means how organization differentiate itself from others. Now differentiation can be developed on several bases such as quality, price, delivery and service, etc. However, company cannot use all of these bases, that is quality, price, service, delivery at the same time. Clear? That is organization cannot differentiate on both, that is quality and price at the same time, because both move in the same direction. यानी जब भी ऑर्गेनाइजेशन अपने ऑर्गेनाइजेशन को डिफरेंशिएट करे, सो डिफरेंशिएशन को करने के लिए अलग अलग बेस है. दैट इज वो प्राइस पे कर सकता है, क्वालिटी पे, डिलीवरी सर्विसेज पे, बट ऑर्गेनाइजेशन एट द सेम टाइम हर एक बेसिस को नहीं यूज कर सकता, बिकॉज ऑर्गेनाइजेशन कैन नॉट यूज ऑल ऑफ दिस बेसिस एट अ सेम टाइम. बिकॉज हम लोग ने एग्जाम्पल लिया कि ऑर्गेनाइजेशन कैन नॉट डिफरेंशिएट ऑन बोथ, दैट इज क्वालिटी एंड प्राइस एट द सेम टाइम, because both move in the same direction. That is it cannot keep its product quality high at a lower price. That means अगर आप प्रोडक्ट का क्वालिटी हाई रखते हो तो नेचुरली वी कीप द प्राइस हाई, क्वालिटी लो होगा तो प्राइस भी लो हो सकता है। सो यहाँ पे क्वालिटी एंड प्राइस दोनों बेस लेके डिफरेंशिएशन नहीं कर सकता, इसीलिए बोला जाता है कि कंपनी कैन नॉट यूज ऑल ऑफ दिस बेसिस एट अ सेम टाइम। नाउ अनदर एग्जांपल, if organization can charge comparatively lower price as compared to the competitors, then price does not become differentiation factors. But if the organization is charging much lower price in the same product group, then the price become differentiation factor. For example, कि कोई भी कंपनी ले लो और उसका कंपटीटर है, सपोज मेरी कंपनी और आपकी कंपनी कंपटीटर्स है। सो आपके प्रोडक्ट का प्राइस 10 रुपीज़ है और मेरे प्रोडक्ट का प्राइस 9.50 है। सो देयर विल बी माइनर चेंजेस, मतलब एकदम चार्ज जो प्राइस रेट है ना वो एकदम अलग नहीं है। सो वो केसेस में प्राइस कैन नॉट बिकम डिफरेंशिएशन फैक्टर्स, बट ऑर्गेनाइजेशन चार्जिंग मच लोअर प्राइस, यानी आपकी कंपनी का 10 रुपीज़ है और मेरी कंपनी ने 7 रुपीज़ रखा। So if the organization charging much lower price in the same product group, then price become the differentiation factors. And we all know the example, that is differentiation in case of synthetic detergent market of the Hindustan Unilever Limited and Nirma. Okay, so HUL के जो सर्फ एक्सेल है, एरियल है, उसका प्राइस ऑलवेज, उसका जो प्राइस है ना, इट इज मच मोर हायर एज कंपेयर टू द नीरमा डिटर्जेंट। ओके, सो वो केसेस में price become the differentiation factor. So that is called as differentiation in business definition. So whenever organization define the business ना, it must reflect two features कि businesses को focus करना है और आपका business definition must be different from the another organization. That is focus in business definition and the differentiation in business definition. Next, this is a definition which is asked in exam कि give Abel's definition of business. So ये definition आपको याद रखना है। So what is business definition? Abel suggests that business may be defined along 3 dimensions, that is customer group, customer function and alternative technology. Now different dimensions for defining the business focus on different variable. Customer group, so customer group relate to who is being satisfied. Customer function relate to what is being satisfied, and alternative technology described how the ends are being satisfied. So Professor Abel suggests business may be defined, not always, it may be defined with the 3 dimension, एक customer group, customer function and alternative technology. Customer group मतलब who is being satisfied, ultimately customer segment होगा कि कौन किसको सेटिस्फाई करना है, दैट इज हु इज बीइंग सेटिस्फाइड. कस्टमर फंक्शन, अल्टीमेटली कस्टमर फंक्शन इट रिलेट टू व्हाट इज बीइंग सेटिस्फाइड. व्हाट मीन्स व्हाट, आइदर प्रोडक्ट और सर्विसेज, सो दैट इज व्हाट इज बीइंग सेटिस्फाइड. And alternative technology described how the ends are being satisfied. How is what, कैसे करना है ना. So how the ends are being satisfied, that is it is related with the technology. Now let an example in case of Hero Cycle. Now Hero Cycle customer group who is being satisfied, that is customer segment. So Hero Cycle ने define किया customer segment in terms of people in lower income group which is located in semi-urban and rural area. So Hero Cycle ने अपने बिजनेस को डिफाइन किया, वो केसेस में कस्टमर ग्रुप कौन रहा उसका, द people in lower income group, that is common people ना. So common people is what, people in the lower income group. Next is customer function, that is what is being satisfied. So ultimately product and services. So Hero Cycle ने अपने बिजनेस उसको डिफाइन किया नॉट एज ओनली बाइसिकल बट चीप एंड स्टडी बाइसिकल, दैट इज वैल्यूएबल बाइसिकल ना. सो चीप एंड द स्टडी बाइसिकल दैट ऑफर बाइसिकल that are low price and functionally useful, that is called as functionally usable. And third, alternative technology. So alternative technology related with what, how the ends are being satisfied, कैसे सेटिस्फाई करना है. How the ends are being satisfied? So ultimately technology. So it specify what activities are to be undertaken in order to produce and deliver the product. So it consists of equipment, machines, tools, set of activity, that is methods, processes for completion of the work. Okay, so able define business along with three dimension: customer group, customer function, and alternative technology. And each of it dimension define business in terms of define the business different variable, that is customer group relate to whom being satisfied, customer function relate to what is being satisfied, and alternative technology describe how the ends are being satisfied. Clear? Okay, bye. Thank you. The next session we will discuss the stakeholders and their expectation. Okay, thank you.